In 100 years, which is like the year 2123, we'll all be with our families and friends, resting in peace. Strangers will live in the houses we worked so hard to build, and someone else will own everything we have today. Most of our stuff will either be given away, thrown out, or destroyed. Even the expensive car we bought may end up in a scrapyard. Our descendants probably won't know much about us or remember us. I mean, how many of us know the name of our grandfather's father? After we pass away, it might take a few more years, and then we're just a picture on someone's wall. A few decades later, our old photos and accomplishments become part of history and are forgotten. If we stop and think about these questions, we might realize that worrying about 95% of the things that occupy our minds every day is pretty pointless. If we can keep this in mind, our thoughts and actions could change for the better. We might feel more free to enjoy our lives. So remember this: if it won't matter in 5 years,